here on this Hertz Car X50 from Elegance. Alright, come, let me share you what they have inside here. This is Elegance car. Of course, you can see this. This is the lithium ion, and this is the fuse, and this Hertz sub, Hertz amplifier, and DSP. Alright, nice. I'll give you a top view. In front now, in this Hertz car, let me show you what they have in this Proton X50. We have the 3-way full Hertz. Sorry for the sun, you can't really see nicely. Let me close up for you. Yep, this is the tweeter. This is the mid-range OEM player. Oh, that's all you have here. That's all. The mid-bass. Yep. Come. Wait, let me see. I can wide angle this. So look, wide angle. Yep. Okay, come. Let's go for some sound sampling type.
Qui se promène avec moi sur la plage. À la fois je cherche un amour sage, sincère comme la nature, qui regarde avec moi le feu de cheminée. Je veux tout, je veux. Je suis ton